guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kwelumi, and I'm back with another video. In this video I am going to be teaching you guys how to do the network dance. Yeah, that's right, it's called the network dance. So make sure you stay tuned, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share to your family and friends. And let's go, let's get it. Let me show you guys how the network dance looks like. Boom, 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 boom. So the first step is to just spread out your legs and kind of sit down like this, and then get used to this movement. Boom, 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 side by side, touch, 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 touch. Just get used to this movement, and then your shoulder needs to do this. You want to kind of like raise your shoulder up when you do it with this. So get used to this. Boom, 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 boom. So now you want to add everything together. Boom, 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 boom. That is how it's going to look like. Boom, 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 boom. You see how my shoulder keeps coming up, and then my legs. You want to bend down really well, and then you do this. Boom, 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 boom. Let me show you guys how everything looks like. Boom, 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 boom. So that's how it's going to look. Sit side by side, side by side. Touch, touch. You see my leg is touching? Touch, touch. Sit. Boom, 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 boom. Your shoulder needs to go up. So boom, 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 boom. Your hands can just like keep doing this. And then I'm going to show you the moving network. It's like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So is this the same thing from the first one? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So you step to the either side, anyone you want to start with. I'm going to be going to the left 3 times. You're going to step 1, 2, 3. So it's like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You can call people over. Imaginary people, just take your hands with you. As let me show you guys how it is. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I see the way I dragged my hands along as I was going to the side. So get used to this. Boom, 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 boom. And then add your own style to it. Add your own swagger. Feel it in your body. And then, so boom, 1, 2, 3, boom, 1, 2, 3, boom, 1, 2, 3, boom, 1, 2, 3. Your hands can just be like this. Boom. Your hands can keep doing that if you can't think of anything to do with your hands. You can put it in between like this, and then boom. So yeah, it's going to be 1, 2. You can see I'm kind of like doing this dance. It's kind of like this, but you want to go down very well with it, and boom. Your chest too needs to go back like this. So it's like this. Boom, boom. It's kind of going up and to the back at the same time. So boom, 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 boom. And my legs keep touching. Touch, touch. They're not touching like they go inside. Like this. So you sit low. Boom. Feel it. Feel the dance. Feel it. Feel it. Feel it. Now let's practice the moving one more. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That was just it. That was me doing it fast. So let me break it down for you guys. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I hope you guys got that. Just 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Practice it without bending down. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now bend down and do the same thing with your shoulders, your chest, and your legs. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. A fun thing you can do with this dance is that you can do high-low network. Let me show you guys how it looks like. Boom, 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 boom. So you can see that when I wanted to move to the side, I came up and then I did the 1, 2 down, and then the 1, 2, 3 I came up. So it was like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. See, I'm straight now, and I will go back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I came back up. So 1, 2, 1. You can do the lower one like this. You don't move, or you can do this. 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So those are 2 ways you can do the network. You can do it. No, there are 3 ways that I know of. You can do the stay in place network, which is the what I taught you first. So boom, boom, boom. So that's the first one. The second one is this. The lower level network, I guess, is this. Boom, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. The third one is the high-low network. Is this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Let me tell you the difference in everything. The first one, you don't move, you just stay in one place. The second one, you move, but everything is just like you're on a low level throughout. Boom, 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 boom. That's the second one. The third one is you're on different levels. So is this 1, 2, you go up, boom, boom, boom. 1, 2, boom, boom, boom. So that is the third one. Your leg basically does the same thing. Boom, 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 boom. That is what your leg does. You want to curve your knees kind of inward, but not so inward. And then you add your shoulder to it, like this, kind of like this dance. Another way to dance this dance is like this. So in this dance, I didn't really bend down. I'm kind of like straight, but my body and leg still does the same thing. So this one, you just want to add your own swag to it. You want to add your own swagger. So let me show you. Let me teach you guys this one. It's the same thing. So 1, 2. Your shoulder still does the same thing. The only difference is that you're straight most of the times in this one. So boom, boom, 1, 2, 3, boom, boom, 1, 2, 3. And then you can also choose to move your head to the side when you do it. Look at this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So your hands can do anything. Sometimes I just make my hands like this, like I'm calling somebody in, kind of like that. So yeah. So this is the fourth one I'm teaching you guys. Or you can choose to call someone. Let me show you. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, so that is another way you can network. So I'm going to play a song right now, and I'm going to show you guys how to do 4 of them in one dance. Yeah. Also notice how in the fourth one, my legs aren't really curving too much. My legs are just kind of like this. I'm not really doing this like the other ones. This one is just like my legs are far apart, and I just boom, 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 boom. So that's the difference. So let me show you all the networks together. Second one. Third one. fourth one. Yeah, that's it. I know there are many other styles, but those are the 4 ways that for me that you can dance the network dance. I really love this dance so much, so I hope you can learn it too. So I'm gonna see you in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And from me, it's a see you again. Peace and love from me to you. Thank you.